My name is Kelly, and I'm a facilities project engineer working at RFAB. Right now, I'm working on chemical and gas projects to support the Worldwide Facilities Organization. You have your manufacturing floor, and then the level down below it is what we call the sub-fab. And if you can think of all of the different components that keep the fab up and running, it's like the engine room where all of those components live. So the sub-fab, you have pipes, you have equipment, you have chemical systems, DI water, you name it. I love when I get to go out into the sub-fab and actually, put on my hard hat, become an engineer, take some time away from my desk and all of those responsibilities, and just go out and actually look at the systems that are things that I learned about in school, really use that knowledge to work on my projects and see things come to fruition. TI is like that welcoming friend that brings you into the group and introduces you to other people and other friends that they have. TI really allows you to branch out and build those relationships with different parts of the organization, which I think makes every day that much more fun. There's a women's employee network, which is a really great way to meet other women who are working in the same space that you are. There's also a new employee network, which really helps you feel at home when you're somewhere new at a new company, really helps you find other folks who are going through being new to the company at the same time that you are. And it's been really comforting to see a company that not only is looking ahead with what's next for TI, but they're also looking ahead with what's next for me in my career and helping me grow and develop in order to get to where I want to be with my own personal goals.